this is the seventh year of our awards, which is Compliance 1010, which is to actually focus on ensuring that the compliance and people who are adhering ethical norms, are exemplifying governance. So governance, risk, assurance, compliance, ethics, the grace as we call them, uh, is is at the forefront of not only the decision making but thought process when the business community comes into deciding and discussing any aspect. So we said we have in past 6 years we've had various groups such as Tata Group demonstrating in first 2 or 3 years consecutively. It was Tata Group that was the most ethical business group of India. We have had Godrej, we have had Hindustan Levers, and I think CRISIL is joining that group. We're extremely proud with what we have in CRISIL, and I think jury is kind of cast an obligation, and it was my fiduciary duty to reach out to you and to request you to accept the award. Thank you very much for accepting this. Uh, the various elements that have gone into evaluation, such as corporate social responsibility, such as the universal acceptability or universal ethical principles, and all of that, I think, through the years has been demonstrated by CRISIL. CRISIL became an institution unto itself that set the trend, continues to have the leadership position, and I think it instills confidence across various stakeholders, especially in the financial services sector, and is really a star in its own sense. So thank you very much once again. We will be very, very grateful that you accepted this award.
Many thanks, Suhas, Legacies, and the eminent jury for this great recognition for CRISIL. It is such a privilege to be recognized for our practices that are so deeply ingrained in the company. I humbly accept this award on behalf of the CRISIL team, the CRISIL board, and S&P Global, our parent organization. It's so good to be recognized for being the most ethical group. And I say so because ethics is really about doing the right thing. And doing the right thing is actually absolute. There are never two ways about it. And this is something that we at CRISIL hold very close to our hearts. It was the foundation of setting up of the company. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate Legacies for taking up this entire theme around ethics, governance, risk, compliance, audit, and honoring organizations, because otherwise you see a lot more awards for business performance. CRISIL is committed to maintaining the highest standards of ethics, governance, and really aims at raising the bar all the time. For us, it is an ongoing journey. It is about continuous improvement all the while. And I really believe it is our core values that have been our driving force, our core values of integrity, excellence, accountability, teamwork, and respect. And I'm also very thankful to CRISIL's board, because they've been a guiding force. And as I close, I'd just like to mention that all of us at CRISIL feel very proud to receive this honor. And I would just call out that this is an ongoing journey, and we hope to always be recognized as the most ethical group. Thank you very much.